My fondest childhood memory is riding in the back seat of the car with my family, both my parents in the front, me and my sister in the back, and we're just driving on a summer trip somewhere. And this is going to date me a little bit, but there's an 8-track tape in the player. I was very little. And the song Summer Breeze, I don't even know who sings it, what band it was, but playing on the radio on the 8-track, and me and my sister in the backseat going, Summer Breeze makes me feel fine. And that's family. And it was an adventure, a family adventure, and that joyful moment, that's my favorite childhood memory. Summer love, they call it summer love. Oh, how it feels.